Now we're going to the bear box to grab our breakfast.
What day is it? Something like day 11 or 12 or something.
Right. Oh. No, I think it's past that. Isn't it like... I don't know.
Yeah, whatever. We got a lot better at setting up our tent and doing the evenings in such a way that we could go to bed early. We're more efficient now. Also, look at Langel's hair. It's really nice.
Okay. So, here's where stuff is in here.
All right, we're starting our adventure. So where are we going, to Emerald Lake today or the other one?
No, we're gonna do the Iceline Trail. And we're gonna go to Laughing Falls and Twin Falls.
It's a pretty brisk morning this morning.
Oh yeah.
I'm a little chilly, so you can see my goosebumps.
Falls little one.
Whoa, that's cool.
So we can see those from our campground.
There we go. All right, show us the route.
So we're camping here. Right now we're here, and today we're going to go around here, probably take the left here and have lunch here, but maybe go to Yoho Lake, depending on how we're feeling. And then go up the middle here to Twin Falls, back down to Laughing Falls, and back into our campsite.
That's the plan.
That's the plan.
So one interesting thing to note here is Langy's backpack. If you'll notice, it's different from the backpack she was wearing when she was talking shit about mine on the last big hike. And also look at her shoes. She's not wearing her hiking boots that she was so adamant about being super good. And this is an even longer hike. Do you have anything you want to say, Langy, about that?
Let's go and have a look over here. We're staying down there at the bottom of the waterfall, and it's only like 11 and we're already at the top of the waterfall.
Whoa, that's cool.
Whoa.
So that's ice there, hey?
That's it.
I did it.
You washed your feet.
I did. Now I can go get in my tent. It's okay, I put it back in. So we're having our first lunch right now. Oh, really nice scenery here. Oh, this rock is not stable. Okay.
Brie, salad, tomato.
Yummers. Okay, so we're on our way back now, basically. I mean, if you really want to arbitrarily set an endpoint. But now we're heading back towards our campsite. There's still another 11K, is it? 12K?
I think it's like 10.
Okay, something like that. so it's still quite a ways. But I'm feeling good. Knees still working, ankles still working. How about you, Langy?
Feeling good, yeah.
Yeah, we should probably live to tell the tale. If not, please find my GoPro. Please return my GoPro to, you know, I don't know, my mom or something.
We're also going to some waterfalls on the way home. One called Laughing Falls.
Yeah, it should be pretty nice. We'll make sure to take some video of that. Wow. That's cool, hey? Yeah, maybe floating back to the campsite isn't such a good idea, Haylor. Is this some sort of wild pigeon? Hello. We are friends.
You're cool. You're beautiful. Are you lost? It does look very pigeon.
Is that a chicken?
No.
He looks like some sort of chicken.
No, he's not a chicken.
Who are you? We are friends.
Aww. Does he need something?
I don't know. He looks with purpose.
He looks healthy. He's sidestepping.
Yeah. All right, well, we're just going to go around you somehow. Maybe this way? Oh, maybe he's injured.
Is he injured?
I don't know. I don't think we're allowed to go here.
Oh. Oh, oh my god.
He's gonna peck me. Oh, his eggs are probably nearby. He's probably guarding his little egg sack.
It's not a good area, is it? Right?
No. You picked a terrible area for your eggs.
You're super beautiful.
Yeah. Don't worry, we won't eat your young. So
nice
cute.
to meet you.
Oh boy, I'm so glad to be back. I gotta tell you. That was a fun adventure, but I'm so down to just rest.
Oh my gosh,
Take it easy.
So sweet. But the rest is so sweet after like a big hike, isn't it? It's like different from rest when you're just resting all day. It's like, oh, like...
Well, that's because you don't have the guilt weighing you down.
Oh, here's all the wood.
Oh yeah.
We should probably retrieve some of that before it rains.
I don't understand why they don't put it under a shelter. But yes, we should. We have enough wood for tonight, though. let's get a look at this deliciousness right here. So it's sausage, and then like, what did you do with potatoes? You put like herbs and stuff in them? I know she cooked them really well. And tzatziki, and there's like some salad there, but you can't really see much because I'm gonna have a separate plate with pickles on the side. Super good.
I cooked it in a bunch of garlic and a bunch of lemon and olive oil too.
Super yummy, super delicious. What a great end to a wonderful day, Taylor. Well, it's not the end because we still have s'mores after.